Good morning students. Today we will continue our last topic, inter-school sports meet. In last topic we already learned about inter-school sports meet race. So today we will start inter-school sports meet long jump. On page number 17 you can see one picture. It is of long jump, right? So one question is there on page number 17. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 cm. So what is the jump of Dhanu? Dhanu's jump is 3 meter 40 cm. Next is Gurjit is second. His jump is 20 cm less than Dhanu's. So and Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 cm less than Gurjit. So how long? One first question is there. How long are Gurjit and Gopi's jump? So first we will find the Gurjit's jump. So Gurjit's jump. Gurjit's jump is how much? 20 cm less than Dhanu. Dhanu का कितना है? 3 मीटर 40 सेंटीमीटर. माइनस करेंगे 20 cm लेस है, मीन्स वी विल माइनस इट. सो धनु माइनस धनुष जंप माइनस 20 cm. सो हाउ टू डू? व्हाट इज द धनुष जंप? 3 मीटर. सो मीटर और सेंटीमीटर को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, अलग अलग डिफरेंट करेंगे. सो 3 मीटर, इट मीन्स वी विल राइट ओवर हियर 3 मीटर 40 centimeter and then minus 20 centimeter. So minus 20 centimeter. So we will write over under the centimeter. So minus 20 centimeter. Here no meter is there. So I will write here 0. So what is the minus? 0 minus 0 0. 4 minus 2 2. 3 minus 0 3. So what is the Gurjit jump? 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now we will find the Gopi's jump. Gopi's jump. Here it is given that Gopi's jump is 5 cm less than Gurjit's jump. We already found the Gurjit jumps 3 meter 20 cm minus 5 cm. So Gurjit's jump minus 5 centimeter. So what is Gurjit's jump? We will write over here meter, centimeter. Gurjit's 3 meter 20 centimeter, 3 meter 20 centimeter, and minus how much? 5 centimeter. Only 5 centimeter. So we will write under centimeter. So here I will write 5. Here nothing is there. So I will write 0. Here nothing is there. So I will write 0. Here minus we will do. Here you cannot minus 5 from 0, so we will take 10. 10 minus 5 5. Here 1 1 3. So 3 minus 0 3. So what is Gopi's jump? 3 meter 15 centimeter. Understood now? Gurjit's and Gopi's jump. Next question is, try and see how far you can jump. So at your home you have to try how far you can jump from one place to another place. Next one is how far can you throw a ball in meters. Suppose if you are throwing a ball 5 meters, then you have to write over here 5 meters. So in third question you have to write 5 meters or whatever. Next one is look for a big ball. Like a football or volleyball, how far can you kick it? Suppose if you are taking a volleyball, then how far? If you are kicking like this, then how far you can kick it? Suppose you can kick it 15 meters. So you have to write over here 15 meters. On page number 18, one table is there. You can see on page number 18. The table of Indian records and world records for some jumps. Sports is there, world record is there, and Indian record is there. In sports, high jump for men, long jump for men, high jump for women, and long jump for women is there. and world record of Xavier S, Mike P, स्टेल्का के एंड गेलिना सी. इंडियन रिकॉर्ड में है चंद्रपाल, अमृतपाल, बॉबी ए एंड अंजू जी. You have to check what is the record, world record and Indian record of each and every person. First question is there, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the man's world record for high jump? Listen. So first we will find men's world record for high jump. So what is the high jump men's world record is Xavier S. So Xavier S, question number 1, Xavier S. What is the world record for Xavier S? Is 2 meter 45 centimeter. 2 meter 45 centimeter. Now it is given that how many more centimeters should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record? Right? So Chandrapal, what is the record of Chandrapal? Chandrapal's record is 2 meter 17 centimeter. So just you have to find the difference of these two, right? So here I will find the difference. You cannot minus 7 from 5. So we will take here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Here 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So 0 meter 28 centimeter. So 0.28. So 0.28 meter more should Chandrapal jump. Next question is, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters, right? So Bobby A wants to reach 2 meters. So what is the Bobby's A? So Bobby A jump. Sorry, Bobby A wants to jump 2 meter. What is 2 meter? 0 centimeter. And what is actual of Bobby's A? Bobby's A, you can see in your table, 1 meter 91 centimeter. So actual Bobby A's jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. So we will again do minus. Here you cannot minus 1 from 0. So I will take here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here again 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Here we have taken 9. So we will again cut from here 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 meter 09 centimeter. So here I will write 9 centimeter should jump by Bobby A. Question 3rd. Galina's long jump is nearly. You have 3 options: 7 meters, 7.5 meters and 8 meters. Check in your table what is the Galina's long jump. See, where is Galina? In world record, Galina C. 7 meter 52 centimeter. Galina C is about 7 meter 52 centimeter. So you can see here 7 meter 52 centimeter. So 7.5 meters, second option is there. So 52 is near about 50. So 50 is called half. So in question number 3rd, you have to write 7.5 meter. Question number 4. Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and highest jump? So what is the longest jump and difference? So 4th question, difference between longest minus highest. So women's world record. Listen, you have to see women's world record longest is Galina Seas 7 meter 52 centimeter and highest is 2 meters 9 centimeter. So longest is 7 meter 92 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. 2 meter 9 centimeter. So how to do? Meter, centimeter, 7 meter 92 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter. So we will write in this way 0, 9. Here 12, 12 minus 9, 3. Here 8, 7 minus 2, 5. So what is the difference between these two?
5 meter
8
83 centimeter.
83 centimeter. Next question is, if Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So first check what is the Mike P's jump. So where is Mike P? Second, long jump. Mike P's jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter and he wants to jump to full 9 meters. So how to do? Mike P to reach 9 meters 0 centimeter. Now what is Mike P's jump? Mike P's jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter. 8 meter 95 centimeter. So we will do again minus. Here 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9, 9 minus 9, 0. Here again cut 8 minus 8, 0. So 0.05 centimeter. Might be more will requires longer. Question 6. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? Listen. 2.5 meter. Whose high jump? Where is high jump? You have to check Xavier A's jump. 2 meter 45 centimeter. So 45 is near about 50. 50 means half. So you have to write in last question Xavier S. Option C. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.